Good morning, everyone. I'm Varsha. Our topic is railway ticket booking system with PNR generator. The railway ticket booking system is a console-based application designed to stimulate the process of booking train tickets, meaning it runs in a simple text-based interface rather than a graphical one. The main goal of this project is to stimulate the real life process of booking train tickets. The system allows users to view available trains and choose one according to their preference. Users can then enter passenger details such as their names, age, and train number. After that, the system lets users book seats, confirming their reservations. Once a ticket is confirmed, the program automatically generates a unique PNR. This is similar to what you see in real railway booking systems, where each ticket has its own unique code. From a programming perspective, this project demonstrates several core programming concepts, classes, and object creation. It is used to model real world entities like trains and passengers. Arrays are used to store and manage multiple records such as lists of available trains or booked passengers. Next, the condition checking. It is to validate input or check availability before confirming a booking. Next, the string manipulation. It is for formatting and displaying ticket details clearly. Overall, the system provides a practical example of object oriented programming and helps understand how different parts of a program interact to perform a real world task like booking a ticket. It's simple but effective in showing how programming logic can be applied to real life problems. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, myself Varsha. So now let us go through the problem statement of our project. So in today's digital world, booking a railway ticket might seem simple, but it actually involves several complex steps behind the scenes. A passenger need to search for available trains, check the seat class, fill in accurate passenger details and finally generate a confirmation ID which is also known as PNR number. When all these steps are performed manually, either by booking agent or auto outdated systems, it becomes time consuming and increases the chances of human effort errors such as incorrect data entry or booking failures. This is not only delays the process but also cause the inconvenience to passengers. To overcome these challenges, our project focuses on developing an automated railway ticket booking system. The main objective is to streamline the entire reservation process from selecting the train to generate the PNR through a single efficient platform. The automation will help ensure accuracy, reduce human effort, and provide a faster and more convenient experience of users. So let us move on to the next slide. So our next slide is about explanation of our project. Our project is based on automating the railway ticket booking process using object-oriented programming concept. The system mainly uses two important classes, the train class and the booking class. The train class is responsible for storing all essential train details such as train number, name, route and number of available seats. This helps the program display all available train options to the users in an organized way. Next we have booking class which manages the passengers information that and handles the ticket booking process. It also generates the unique PNR for each confirmation ticket. The program workflow is simple and user friendly. It first displays all available trays, then collects user details like name and train choice. It checks whether the seats are available, and if they are, then the ticket is confirmed. The PNR generation process combines the train number and the first three letters of the passenger name and the random three-digit number to ensure uniqueness. After each successful booking, the system automatically updates and the seat count, reducing it by one. Overall, this project demonstrates how automation and class-based programming can make the railway ticket reservation faster, more accurate, and easier to manage. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Myself Sanjana MP. Now we will let us know about how our code is. So first we will go on the class by class and the purpose. First we will know about the class train. The purpose of the class train is it is used to store and manage the details of a train. It represents each train has an object with the properties like train number, routes, and seats available. Here we use several attributes like train number, train name, source, destination, and seats available. So data type is the data type for attribute train number is int, means unique ID for each train. We will uh, unique ID for each train, and train name it uses a data type string name of the train, and attribute source it also uses a data type string, means a starting station. Destination for attribute destination data type is string, and it represents an ending station. Next attribute is seats available. It uses an data type int number of seats which are currently vacant. Next we uses constructor which initializes all the above details while creating the train object, and it also include a method show details which display the train details to the user. So this class only holds the data and display it. It does not book seats. It support encapsulation by bundling the train data and behavior together. Next, we will move to the class ticket. The purpose of this class is the ticket class. It is responsible for storing the passenger booking details and generating a unique PNR number. Here also we used attributes called name, which includes the passenger's name, age, passengers. It includes passenger's age, and attribute train, which selects the train object, and attribute PNR, which automatically generates the unique booking ID. So when a ticket object is created, passenger name and age are also stored. Train object is linked. A PNR number is generated using the math.random method. Here the method called show ticket. The purpose of this is it displays the passenger detail along with the PNR and train information. So this class binds passenger details with the book train and produces the final ticket. Next, we will move on to the class railway reservation system. So the purpose of this class, the main driven classes, the it uses the where the user input is taken, train are listed here, and booking processor are also happening. Ticket object is created and displayed. The major steps is performed is it creates an train object and stores them. Example in a list or an array we will store. Next step, displaying the train to the user. It also takes the user choice for selecting a train. It takes the passenger details like name, age, and all, and it decreases the seat count from selected train. And next, it creates a ticket object, and lastly, it displays the generated ticket, which is the final output. And this class controls all over the workflow and coordinates between the train and ticket classes. Next, we will move to the output. So here, a railway ticket booking system. It shows all the trains stored in the train object. This helps the passenger to choose which train they want to travel in. And in the next screen, entering the passenger name and age. The user select the train by entering the train number. Then the system collects the passenger details, which are sorted by the ticket classes. And in the last ticket confirm, we will know about the ticket object has been created, and the PNR number is automatically generated, and the passenger details plus train details are displayed in the proper ticket format. Originally, the train has 50 seats. After booking one seat, the system decreases the seat count to 49. This confirms the seat booking is successfully. Thank you.
Good morning. I am Bhumika Emane. Now let us move on to the conclusion. This project effectively showcased the implement of ticket booking system using OOP principles, enhancing how real-world problems can be modeled into program through the use of class, objects, inheritance, and encapsulation. The structure of the code is clear and organized, making it easier to understand, maintain, and extend in the future. The inclusion of PNR, passenger name record generation, features add a vertical dimension, showing how unique booking identifiers are created in actual ticketing system. It reflects a real-world approach to managing passenger data and booking details effectively. Furthermore, the project design provides great scope for enhancement. Future improvements could include ticket cancellation module to allow users to cancel booking, payment gateway integration for secure online transaction, seat class and preference selections to offer users more control over their booking choice, database storage to manage passenger and ticket details in more reliable and scalable manner. In summary, this project well-structured example of how OOP principle can be applied to build vertical system. It's not only demonstrate programming skills but also shows an understanding a real-world ticket management process. Thank you.